Hello guys and welcome to another quick tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how you can simply receive BNB on Binance. It's quite easy. All you need to do is make sure you have an account on Binance. And if you do not have an account on Binance, by simply using our link, which is going to be in the description of this video, you stand a chance to claim 100 USDT worth of trading fee rebate when you register and verify your account using our link. So guys, once you've logged in with a verified account, please head over to the deposit icon at the top left corner of the screen. Just here, click on the deposit option, scroll or simply use the search icon to search for BNB. And we have the warped BNB and normal BNB. So select the BNB, that's the smart chain BNB we are working with, BEP20, click on it and simply copy your address. Now, by simply copying your address, please take note of the minimum deposit, as most networks have their own minimum deposit, and the expected arrivals, that's the network confirmations. And once you've done this, simply copy your address and use wherever you need to. You can also make use of the QR code to scan. So guys, do comment down below if you've got any questions concerning how we can go about any of these, and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.